At Kendal, in the heart of the Lake District, Farley's, one of the most well-known and respected names in the food industry, manufactures its milk-based products. The factory at Kendal is very new, very modern, and very sophisticated. It employs over 250 engineering, administrative, technical, production, quality control and management personnel who handle the products from raw materials through to final packed products. The Farley's name is more than 100 years old, and Farley's have had their milk-based production here since the 1960s. The products manufactured at the plant include Farley's Junior Milk, the range of Farley's Ostermilk baby milks, Farley's Ostersoy, a soya-based protein formula, and specialized liquid feed formulations. These ready-to-feed bottles are supplied to maternity units, and the range includes Osterprem for premature babies. All products made at Kendal are subject to strict manufacturing standards. The infant formulae are modelled on breast milk and meet the most up-to-date nutritional and governmental guidelines, while Farley's Junior Milk is specially developed for babies from 6 months onwards. Also manufactured here are dietary health products such as Complan, the complete meal in a drink, as well as other milk-based products such as skimmed and whole milk powder, which is supplied to schools and hospitals. Constant investment in the latest manufacturing equipment has ensured the highest standards in this field. Boots, the owners of the established Farley's name, commissioned an £8 million investment programme, which makes the production unit the foremost in Europe and arguably the world. As the first stage in production, fresh milk is brought by direct pipeline from the Milk Marketing Board creamery next door. Every day, around 750,000 pints are pumped directly into the pasteurization unit. The unit is housed in an entirely separate area from the main plant, and only pasteurized milk enters this processing area. Before any raw material is used, it will have passed rigorous quality control tests. From the milk entering the plant and at every stage of production, all the ingredients used are tested to ensure their purity and quality. After pasteurization, the milk is pumped into one of 4 huge silos where it is standardized. That is, it is supplemented to achieve a standardized formula. Depending on the formulation of the finished product, additional nutrients such as proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals are added. After clarification, the standardized liquid formula then falls through the evaporator's 6 huge stainless steel columns, each over 20 meters high, where the water content is progressively reduced by up to 80%. This concentrated milk from the evaporator is pumped via a final pasteurizer and a high-pressure homogenizer through a series of nozzles in the top of the Filtermat dryer. An atomized mist of concentrated milk droplets is formed at the top of the dryer. As it falls, it is dried by a stream of hot air that has been microbially filtered. That is, any airborne microorganisms have been removed. This powder falls onto a continuous conveyor belt, is cooled, again with microbially filtered air, sieved, and bagged. The entire process is fully enclosed, and the product does not come into contact with operators or the environment. Cleaning of the sealed units is carried out automatically. The bulk powder is now held in a quarantine area for quality clearance and is only released to the next stage of production when all tests confirm that it meets Farley's exacting standards. Once cleared, the bulk powder is then taken to the blending area, where the final formulation is produced by the further addition of vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates. These ingredients are then blended by gentle tumbling in sealed stainless steel canisters to ensure perfect distribution of nutrients. From the moment the milk arrives, it is under constant supervision. The whole process is controlled by the latest fully automatic, sophisticated microprocessors, constantly monitored by skilled operators. The computer logs over 500 process conditions every 2 seconds and automatically maintains ideal manufacturing conditions. Careful scrutiny in the computer control room is not the only means of ensuring safe and reliable quality control at all times. Far from it. Rigorous on-site testing and daily cleaning by Farley's Quality Control Department ensures that hygienic conditions are upheld through the entire plant. Throughout the production process, the product is checked, tested and rechecked. Samples are taken for testing at defined regular intervals, and the standards applied exceed both British and international standards. In fact, Farleys are so committed to quality that all the staff have a quality control responsibility, and 10% of the staff are employed full-time in quality assurance. This commitment is backed up by some of the most sophisticated analytical techniques available, including online infrared moisture measurement, high-performance liquid chromatography, and atomic absorption. Rigorous clothes-changing regimes are in force, and staff are screened at regular intervals. The result is this: quality-assured powders. Farley's Junior Milk, Farley's Oster Milks, Oster Soy and Complan. In addition to the powdered infant formulae, a vital part of the service to maternity units is the provision of sterilized, ready-to-feed products. The milks are prepared to the same nutritional composition as the reconstituted powders. In addition, these specialist products are made: dextrose solution, sterilized water, and Osterprem, the world's most extensively clinically researched formula for preterm infants. All rigorously tested and controlled, going to prove Farley's commitment to quality, now and for the future. Farley's, a British name that combines the best of the old with the best of the new. A promise of quality assurance you can trust. That's Farley's.